Here fans at a cafe called Lola Cafe. Outside this is Union floor fan. Probably not the Union that's high, medium, low. That we all know, the one that's probably out of business. Series fans, I'll tell you about them, more about them later. Another one. Not even mess with these ones so much. But if my focus is on basically ceiling fans. Here, I believe this is free, but I could be wrong. This is a cool air fan. This could be a freebie or standard or whatever. It's a generic Philippine company. This time I'm going to start off from low speed. The reason is because I can't really do a spin down if I start from high, and then I've been trying to mess with the controls as little as possible. I've never actually ran them before. These were on low right now. You can see. This could be interfering with this one. So let's make it face look down. Seems much lower than this for whatever reason. This one is broken. And that's the cool air. I guess the cool air is the most efficient fan here. Or maybe just the one with best bearings. Whichever means the most efficient, basically. I'll wait here for about 1 minute. This still hasn't sped up. Or if a waiter or waitress turned them off. No. Sorry, just now. Someone just asked me what I was doing. Let's see. Yeah, that's low. Turn them up to medium low. I'm trying to take as short a video as possible with fitting all the information of these fans in. Medium low, and this sped up. This one is sped up a lot, as you can see, and this one is almost like a high. I reckon this is a very efficient fan. Okay, this is perhaps broken. Which tells me that this might be an old restaurant, but not sure. There's another unit in here. But I'm not gonna mess with that. Coincidentally, a waiter's holding it right now. This direct medium speed. There's not much difference between medium and medium low, but if there is a big difference, then please tell me. Now you can see these fans don't seem to move much air, which shows me at high speed they might be quite fast because the blades are it's not the kind of fan that works on speed and not so much on performance. A bit high. And I forgot to do the spin down of the Union floor fan. Usually I often would make several attempts on making videos, but now I'm only making one. For the purpose of not bothering the waiters or waitresses. Here I am trying to make a quite short video. Although it's been 5 minutes since I started already. So better hurry up. Big moment. High speed. It's quite windy here, so full air. Still not that powerful, but it runs with wind, and this one is quite slow. Oh, poor things. But even though this fast, it's hard, difficult with much air, and also it wobbles. Oh, there, I feel some. I feel a lot actually. Last but not least, sit down. Whoa. Mosquito starter just gotten killed. The cool air is probably going to take a while. I'm getting hot. I'll turn this down. And I'll sit down. I'll keep the fan facing down because you don't want to interfere with this video. I tried to start the oscillation of it, but I think I'm going to move here so we can see both of them in one shot. Now can I have the battery? Can I have the battery? You didn't stick it to me and put it in the bag. Yeah, the cool air is taking quite a while. 56-inch, I think. My dad's going to get a portable charger. My phone is running out of battery. Oh, that one stopped. But this one is still going. Need is trying to stop soon.